Hey guys, it's nighttime on day 1, and so it's about about 6 right now, and so oh my god, it's so windy, but it's really dark too, and it's pretty cold also, and of course for Christmas we got everything for the Capitol, we got the snowman, but anyway. What I wanted to talk about is that all the winds that's been actually happening. Now, it kind of slowed down for now, but between about 4 and 5 p.m., it was really, really bad. Right now, it's not that bad. Winds about 10 miles an hour. Now, these winds are going to be the worst at 10 a.m. Tuesday, but I can't really record at that time because I have a school. And so, but I can record at maybe 8. And so that's pretty close enough. The winds will be somewhere between 37 and 38 miles an hour. I'll also be recording in the afternoon, of course. And then it goes on for several days. So this is just day 1, of course. So it's evening, nighttime, whatever you call it. Oh, so cold. I'm like freezing. Temperatures right now are in the maybe low 50s, high 40s. Right now we're in kind of a calm time. But and of course we got all of our stuff. But anyway, if you guys are wondering how strong these winds are going to be in other places, it's going to be, the worst of it is going to be in Simi Valley, California, United States of America, and it's going to have winds of 49 miles an hour. No, 50 miles an hour, because it's in a valley and kind of a canyon too, so it's gonna be really, really so it is so windy. No, I meant it's so cold. But anyway, thank you for watching, and